really wish you wouldn't.
I was nominated to do that.
I know! We gotta say it first! Be careful. You little brat.
I broke the railing! Please don't get me wet. Woo! Oh God, get me!
It was extra strength he had to put in. Ooh.
Oh, Taylor!
The guy is running away. Oh! What just happened?
Oh, you better get the kayak.
So I let the dogs out at 8, and it did not look like this.
Oh no. Dude.
Go lay down.
Over here. Oh.
She talking to me or the dogs?
¡A la verga!
You're doing good. Okay, now easy right here. Hold on, I'm gonna have to re-grip.
watch him pull again. He's gonna do it in a second again. He's getting the suction fluid. Up, there he goes.
No, just go sit.
Took a lot out of it right there.
Did you get that? Okay, here we go.
I'm filming.
I didn't like that.
I don't like it either. Go in your belly and sweat.
Jen, don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. You're gonna break your leg.
I got it. Look. I got it. It didn't bust all the way open.
Got that on video.
So this is the drill bit John drilled through our house on accident. Oh my god. Hold on, time out. Seriously?
Oh, you scared me. You're dragging your flip-flop.
Ow! Sid, calm down. You're not the one that fell.
She's wet. Oh, no, 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 no!
Oh my god!
There he goes.
Are you wet? What happens when we make poor decisions?
I have a feeling it was mostly Cleo who created this mess.
So we walked in and we seen this. Rowdy, did you do that?
Did you do that? Where are you going? You can't hide.
That's not the one.
Yep. He's like, yeah, so you're doing good. You're making out good here.
Still not from the other side. 2 points. Yes!
Nice.
That was better than yesterday.
Look in to make sure you can see the coin earlier. Okay, let go.